Hello friends, today we will see how to make cones for dotting. We will be using these plastic transparent sheets to make our cones, just like so. The transparency helps us to see the color which has been filled inside the cones. These cones can be used for dotting as well as to make raised dots. So let's see how to make this cone. Just hold a corner of the cone and start rolling like so. Make sure that the tip of this cone is as tight as possible. Now take a sellotape and tighten the tip of the cone as shown. Make sure there is no gap in between. Now we need to fix the loose end which is inside the cone. We need a sellotape for that. So we will take sellotape in a finger and then fix the loose end, like this inside the cone. By doing this we make sure that the color doesn't seep within the layers of the cone. Now we also need to fix the outer edge of the plastic that is still loose. So we need to fix it with sellotape just like so. Make sure there are no loose ends. Again we are making sure that no color is wasted. So friends, now our cone is complete. This cone can also be used to apply henna. So instead of acrylic color, you can fill in henna or mehendi, what we call in India. You can make many cones at a time so that you can fill in colors of different shades and then start your project. Make sure the tip is as tight as possible. Depending on the size of the cone, we can adjust the length. So you can cut out the excessive part of the cone from the back. Now we will be filling the cone with this FolkArt color. You just need to open the bottle and just fill it a little carefully from the top. Try to use good quality paint which will give you a good thick texture of the color. Tap the cone like so that the color goes deep inside the cone. Fill in as much as you need for your project and now just tap it once again. Now try to hold the top part and press the color to bring it down within, like inside the cone, like so. We do not want to waste any color, so let's squeeze in as much as possible inside the cone. Now just fold the top part as tightly as possible so that the color doesn't come back from the top part. We need to hold this as tight as possible and now fix it as neatly as possible with sellotapes. Just as so. Make sure there are no loose ends. Fix it from both the sides, from front and back, because sometimes while pressing the cones, the color tends to come out from the opposite side if the cone has not been made properly. So now our cone is ready. This is a very convenient way of painting dot art because you do not have to dip your dotting tool again and again in the paint. Now cut off the tip as thick or as thin you wish for your painting. To make raised dots, you need to hold the cone still. Keep pressing and rotate the cone in a circular motion like so, but try to keep the cone at just one point. This will give you a raised dot. Now we will do it with another color. Circular motion helps to keep the circle shape intact. At the same time, gives a good 3D effect to our dot. So you can see we have made raised dots. We need to make sure that the tip or the color doesn't dry off within the cone. So fix a sellotape on the top like this. It becomes like a temporary cap for your cone. It makes sure that the color doesn't dry, and you can replace the cap if need be. Many people insert pins, but I think it could increase the diameter of your cone. So I find this more convenient to use a sellotape as a cap. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. This is one more art that I tried to make with this technique. It has given me excellent raised dots. You can see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.